Hi everybody, my name is Guru Pashupati and I want to tell you about a process that I've been doing called Karma Visarjana. And Karma Visarjana is a way to get rid of all the things that are holding you back, which Indians will understand is called karma. And karma is the software that runs our body, and it determines where you end up in life, with whom you end up in life, and what kind of interactions you finally end up having with the people around you. And this is it is not determined. It's not like you don't have a choice in what you can do. You can always change your mind, but over events you don't have control. The karma determines the events of your life. Your responses is up to you, but even then, if you're not conscious, your responses are not determined, are not up to you, and they can be something that works against you and makes you feel more terrible in life than you should be feeling. Okay, so karma visarjana is a process by which people can finally stop blaming other people and take action, take the power back into their own hands. And it's been empowering a lot of people. A lot of people have benefited from Karma Visarjana, like lots. Not only the ones who did the course, the 100 people who did the course, but they've gone and helped like hundreds of people themselves. So it's like exponential, extreme growth for humanity that me and my team have put into place. It's quite exciting, you can see that I'm very excited. But what I'm trying to tell you today and in this video is what is the basic requirement before you do Karma Visarjana. If some of you are considering, hey, I also want to have superpowers. Wait. You're not going to have superpowers unless one thing is very clear for you, that after I remove the karma, what am I going to do? How is my life going to be? When that vision is not clear to you, whatever karma you remove, it's not going to work. Okay, for example, one of my students had this karma that he has no time. Okay, he has karma and he thought he has the karma called there is no time, and he's trying his best to remove it with all the 100 tools I've given him. He's trying to remove everything. Yeah, not 100, but I've given people around 10 tools, and that's enough. 10 tools are enough. So he's trying to remove all his karma, and it keeps coming back, it keeps coming back, it keeps coming back, it keeps coming back, and he's exhausting himself, and he still doesn't have time. So what do you think he's doing wrong? The fundamental most important thing of Karma Visarjana he's forgotten to do. And what is that? That is to ask yourself, once I remove this karma that there is no time, how will my life be? And then what he visualizes is himself lying down, chilling, smoking weed, not talking to anybody, not being productive. So he's equated being productive with having no time and being stressed. Okay, so he doesn't know he doesn't even have the imagination of how it's possible to be lazy and still get results. So till he's got that clarity, how is it possible to be lazy and get results, he's got to observe someone like me who's lazy and still gets results. Yeah, it's called having a team, guys. It's a secret. If you want a productivity secret, it is have a team. Okay, when you have a team, you can do things. Don't do things alone. Okay, he hasn't visualized this. If he does that, then he'll be able to remove this, and not only remove this, he'll be able to create the karma of attracting a team. So whatever objects are required for that, he'll be able to, that's really what he is meant for in his life. He's not meant to do things alone and then die alone. Nobody is meant to do that. Okay, when you have a team, you can achieve miracles, but he doesn't know that. Okay, so now once he gets to know this and he says, once I remove this karma, I'm going to get a team. That's going to happen. Now when he removes this karma, it will not come back, and all he will do in the next 3-4 days is recruit people and make a team. That's what happens. So that's how Karma Visarjana works. Okay, for example, there's another person who keeps crying that she doesn't have money. Okay, she goes on crying, and then she posts on the group, again and again that we have a group, okay, we help each other out. So on the group, the same post again and again, same crying about money, same crying about her son's health, okay. So why is she not able to progress? Because she's forgotten the most fundamental thing about Karma Visarjana. And before you come for the course and sign up, you also should do this. Whatever's troubling you in your life, like I don't have money and my son is a moron, okay, I have these problems. And if I have these problems, then what I should imagine is, suppose I had money and my son was intelligent, what would my life be like? And you should be able to imagine that. You should be able to believe that that's possible. If you don't believe that that's possible, and if you don't know how that's going to look like, then you'll say, let me stick with this unfamiliar crying, because the crying at least feels like I'm doing something. But if I remove the karma actually, then I don't know what exactly is coming. I'm not sure about it. So unless you're able to visualize that. So if I was in her place, I would say, oh, then I visualize that I will stop spending and losing money on my son, and he will start earning his own money, and he will be completely independent of me, and I don't have to care about him, and I can continue with my life. Whatever service or deeds that I want to do in my life, I can focus on that if I remove the karma. So let me remove this karma of poverty and son being a moron once and for all, removed, all his ego and everything removed. Now son is going to be humble, start making money instead of studying and wasting my money, and I will be free and I'll have extra money to do whatever I want to do. Isn't that great? So when you settle down into that thing will be gone forever, because you know, now your mind knows what future you can make, you see. So now I hope you understand that this is the most fundamental thing that everybody needs to know before they join Karma Visarjana, not after. Don't try to know this thing after, okay? Maybe it's my fault, I didn't communicate it. I'm communicating it now. You really need to know what your future is like. For example, I removed a lot of karma of mine. I removed the karma of mine to stay in Pondicherry, but then I thought that I'll have to go to Himachal. But the only thing I did after going to Himachal, it was an arduous journey from Pondicherry to Himachal, is take the blessings of my village deity and take the blessings of Shani Dev also in my district. So I took those blessings and I came back. I could not find a house or settle down there because I was not meant to. But I still know that what it looks like. So what it looks like was not possible in Himachal, it didn't happen. But what it looks like seems possible in another city. So I'm going to go there and explore it. And this time I've already got houses and everything. So I went there only to take blessings, That's okay, that's totally alright. Now I went there and now I'm on my way somewhere else, and then whatever karma I had in Pondicherry of bad internet and just like mosquitoes and a whole lot of other stuff, mold everywhere, mold, like white mold grows everywhere in Pondicherry. All that karma will be gone. I won't have these things anymore, and I'll be able to focus on my work like full time, because I didn't have internet. I couldn't focus on my work, otherwise I would make many videos like this every day. So a lot of other karma also went away. Just like the craving to go to mountains just completely finished, and I'm like peaceful. I'm like, udhar kaam nahi hone wala hai baap. Mereko, I gotta be in the right kind of atmosphere to have these things going over. I need to be in the luxurious surroundings. I can't be like worrying about my own survival at minus 12 degrees, right? So it's good for a holiday, but it's really not good for work. So this is what I realized, because I got caught in this narrative karma of work from mountains, look at beauty every day and enjoy yourself. And it's okay, I'll look at a wallpaper, no problem. And I'll work in 25 degrees centigrade, yeah, great, no? So like this, we can change our life plans and we can still be happy, right? I don't have to be unhappy that my plans didn't work out. When you take out the karma, something else comes up, and you should be okay with that. If you're not okay with that, you'll hold on to the karma and you won't let it go. You'll hold on to the moron son and you won't let him go. You'll hold on to the being busy and you won't let it go. I hope you're understanding this. You look like this. Your left hand is your right hand and your right hand is your left hand, and now you have to eat with this. How difficult is it? It's difficult. It's not easy. Okay? So everybody stop being like this. If you're like this, don't come to Karma Visarjana. Okay? Come to Karma Visarjana when you have clarity about what your future is. And then you can be relaxed and you can be happy, and you can chill out, and you can smile, and you can just relax a little more. You can be lazy also a little bit, and you can enjoy your life. Alright? So great. If you understood the importance of this video, which I'm trying to tell you, when we don't know what our future actually should look like, then we don't want to change all the negative stuff in our life that's currently there. We just get busy complaining about it. And then you'll say that Karma Visarjana doesn't work. I won't allow that to happen because it works. Alright, great. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, hit share. And please subscribe to my page for more such information about karma, yoga, how to live your life, how not to cry, how to be amazing. All of these things are going to come up one by one in live videos in one form or the other. And I hope you find me entertaining. My manners are not so best, but you should talk to my parents about it. It's not my fault, okay? Yes. All right. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.